All right, folks, welcome to a trade recap. Today I took a loss. I took this long right now and it hit my stop loss pretty quick. So the lesson is another lesson. The reason why I lost was because I didn't use the right time from alignment. I'm supposed to go for a 4 hour to a 15 minute instead of a 4 hour to 5 minute because I thought I was fine because we had an hourly CRT here as well. As you guys said before about the New York Reserve Profile tool will usually give me that advanced entry, but that's not very reliable most of the time. You can see, go back in time here. Which one was the example where it wasn't reliable? It should be back over. Which one's the time? It should be here, right? Right around here. This scan right over here, right? So on this day, if you go back in time, and the reason why I didn't know it, but the reason why I took this trade, although I knew this lesson, was simply because I thought I was like, okay, during this time my boss was wrong. Now let's see when boss is correct and let me do it, right? And I was safe from there. Eventually found out, okay, like I can't be using the wrong time for alignment. You can see on the 4 hour time with the 4 hour CRT and the 5 minute time from the 5 minute model 1 confirmation, boom, get stopped out, then eventually goes your way, right? So that's the overall lesson. You go back in here once again. We had our New York profile too. We had a 4 CRT in play, but during this, both of the times we're to be here, right? During this time, it was a New York reversal profile 2, New York reversal profile 2. So I thought I was looking for advanced entry, and eventually found out now you can't do that, right? So go down to lower time frame. We use a 5 minute alignment. We had, purge out the low, enter the Russian block. Eventually we purge it out. We purge out the low, which is the valid low. Eventually hit the right model 1. Thought I was okay. I was like, okay, I'm fine. I can take it because that's when I used it last time, my boss was wrong. This time my boss is right. So let's see how well this will go. And it just told me, okay, I always, even my boss is wrong or not, I must always use the right time frame alignment. And I lost about, let me go check. You would be $1,177, not that much. Right. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is the market recap. I actually give you guys my analysis to why I'm bullish here, to why I was bullish, to why I was looking for longs. We had a monthly CRT, monthly CRT low gas super monthly high on the 3-month time frame. We have a 3-month candle, so monthly that's a lot of time, right? So the monthly candle, we have a lot of time. So market instantly opened, it went all the way down. After going down, we still have 1 month and 7. We still have 1 month and 7 days, 17 days left to the quarter candle to close. That means the low is highly placed. So now we're gonna go to make it a high, which is a bullish sign, right? In a week monthly time frame, it gave us a little bit more insight, which was monthly CRT to the upside. On the weekly time frame, we had a weekly CRT to the upside, a weekly IRL back to weekly ERL, as well as that's all we had. And why do I say this IRL? Because this IRL aligns with the higher time frame monthly CRT. So that's why. Now on a daily time frame, we had a daily CRT to the upside. We have a classic expansion profile to the upside. Monday low of the week. We have a big wick on the weekly candle, so we do want to see it close up higher. On the 4 hour time frame, we have a 4 hour New York profile 2. We have a bullish order flow, as well as that's all we had here on the 4 hour time frame. Now go down to hourly time frame. What do we had in the hourly time frame? We had not much, to be honest with you. Hourly time frame, we didn't really care because we used the reason why I used the hourly time frame because that was a near profile 2. I'm looking for that advanced entry. Eventually I went down to the 5 minute to execute a trade, but as I said the lesson before, from before, it said I told you guys that. Not told you guys. I said that we cannot use the wrong time for alignment. You must go from 4 hour to 15 minute, hour to 5 minute. But if the 4 hours in play, we cannot use the 5 minute. No matter how much RA gives us, we cannot, because so will happen, right? I have my stop loss right below this old low. Right, I thought, okay, it was below the weekly open price. We can have a safe stop loss, and eventually we hit our stop loss before going our direction. Not going our direction before doing this reaction. So let's start the lesson. Lesson is to use the rotative alignment, 4 hour to 15 minute, hourly to 5 minute. If the 4 hour time frame is impact, and it's supposed to be, and if there's an hour CRT as well as a 4 hour CRT, they both impact. I must go with the 4 hour time frame CRT. So go from 4 hour to 15 minute instead of the 1 hour to 5 minute. If there's a 4 hour CRT and hour CRT, I go to 15 minute time frame because higher time frame, higher power. Quick lesson. I didn't lose that much, to be honest. But yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.